In this video, we will learn how to fix AWS IAM Identity Center API integration error. Base does not match. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin console. Navigate to Applications, then Applications, and select the AWS IAM Identity Center application. Under the Provisioning tab, then Integration. Go to the AWS IAM Identity Center admin account. Copy the SCIM endpoint, then go back to the Okta admin console. For the base URL section, paste the SCIM endpoint and delete the last /. Go back to the AWS IAM Identity Center and copy the access token and paste that in the API token section on the Okta admin console. Then click Test API Credentials and click Save after it is verified successfully. And that is how to fix AWS IAM Identity Center API integration error. Base does not match. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.